Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be featuring Aveeno Positively Radiant. After a long day, all I want to do is unwind. And the first step to doing that is taking off my makeup with these Aveeno Positively Radiant makeup removing wipes.
30 hertz straight up.
I love these wipes. They contain soy extract, which leave the skin feeling moist and soft instead of dry and tight, like some other makeup removing wipes. After the wipes, I grab my Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Cleansing Pads. These exfoliating pads are soft on the skin and great for those that suffer from acne. They also help pick up any leftover makeup I may have missed with the wipes. Once that's done and I've gotten all my makeup off, I take a dime-sized amount of Aveeno Skin Brightening Daily Scrub to wash my face. It helps remove any impurities and even skin tone.
30 hertz straight up.
This is actually my favorite step in my skincare regimen. I take the time out while washing my face to reflect on the day, all the positive things that have happened, and all the things that I want to tackle for tomorrow. last but never least is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This moisturizer is great for morning and evening. It contains SPF 50, which protects my skin from harmful UV rays and also helps even skin tone and soften the texture of your skin. And there you have it, my skincare routine with Aveeno. Until next time, bye.